Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
So I
morning,
hope
ma'am.
you
Good
have.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So I'm happy to see the strength has improved today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All right. So we had started with this. We even finished this short poem yesterday. Sorry, short story yesterday. That is Munshi Premchand's God Lives in the Punch. Right? So I hope that was easy to follow for you all. So today we'll, look further into the poem, into the story, and just check what questions can be made. All right, so I'll share the screen. So those of you who missed the class yesterday, I'll just give you a brief, summary of the poem. So basically we discussed that, this is a story about a village, right? It is set in the village and there are two friends being talked about, that is Jumman and Alagu, right? So what happens is they're both very well off and they're both, highly regarded in the village, right? However, what happens now, Jumman comes to know that he is taking care of his old maternal aunt, right? And now once she transfers all her property to him, he stops taking care of her, right? Then they start insulting her. His wife also gives her a tough time. So a very typical Bollywood story you would see, right? All about property and then being also sweet till the property is transferred to you, right? After that, we realize that the aunt decides to go to the panchayat. So आपको पता ही होगा, every village has a panchayat has a few members, right? एक सरपंच होता है, 5 बाकी members होते हैं, right? And otherwise also the whole village comes together and they really listen to what the panchayat says, right? तो एक अगर हम democratic institute की बात करें तो panchayat is highly respected, right? So ऐसा नहीं होता, and even the decision, it is legally binding on the participants. No doubt वो अगर if they are not happy with the decision, they can go to a higher authority. However, mostly जो issues होते हैं वो उसी level पे resolve हो जाते हैं, right? अगर आपने सुना होगा maybe in some areas the panchayat is so highly regarded, so much respected कि वो अगर कोई भी decision देते हैं it is really followed, right? In हरियाणा जैसे खाप पंचायत सुना है आपने? हाँ जी बच्चे. So have you heard of खाप पंचायत? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
हरियाणा में आपने सुना नहीं है खाप पंचायत होती है? Okay, let me tell you. आपने ये तो न्यूज़ सुनी होगी, हरियाणा में ऑनर किलिंग वगैरह काफी होती है. Not just हरियाणा, even it takes place in Punjab and UP also, right? In a lot of rural areas. But why Haryana is usually mentioned? Because वहाँ पे इसके बहुत ज़्यादा केस हुए थे, right? Honor killing, as in if two people are getting married against the wishes of their parents, both the families, they literally trouble those people and at times murders also take place, right? And इसमें क्या होता है, वहां पे ये जो खाप पंचायत का इंस्टीट्यूट, इसको खप नहीं कहना, खाप कहना है. खाप पंचायत का इंस्टीट्यूट है, इसकी बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग इंस्टीट्यूट है, राइट? एंड इवन द कोर्ट ओपाइन दैट इसकी बात आपने इतनी सुननी बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग रॉन्ग डिसीजंस, कि ये नहीं है कि अगर कोई लव मैरिज करा रहा है तो इट इज जस्टिफाइड टू किल देम, राइट? सो सी, बट what I want you to focus on is that the institute of panchayat is so strong there, right? Similarly in villages also, जो minor issues होते हैं, कोई minor disputes होते हैं, they are usually taken to the panchayat and not the higher courts, right? And they get resolved there and then. Why? Because there is the decision is made जब सारे लोग एग्री करेंगे उससे. ये नहीं है कि किसी एक ने बोल दिया कि हाँ जी ये गलत है या ये सही है तो वो बात मानी जाएगी. No, all the members, the sarpanch, they all agree and give a decision. Similarly in this story, now that aunt is very troubled that she has transferred her property as well and she is not even being taken care of or respected in return. So she decides to go to the panchayat. So at first, सबको वो village में बताती है कि this is what is happening with me, right? ना जुम्मन इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, क्योंकि एक तो उसका जो फ्रेंड है अलागू, ही इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द पंचायत, राइट. सेकेंडली ही थिंक्स कि ही विल गेट अवे विद इट, कि सारे उसकी साइड लेंगे. So what happens once the panchayat sits, right, and they are asked to appoint one head punch, कि एक person होगा जो इनका leader होगा for this particular meeting, right. So Juman says कि my aunt can decide whoever she wants to pick, क्योंकि वो देखते हैं कि जो बाकी सारे members है ना वो उसके फेवर में बात नहीं करेंगे, because they are maybe always against him or something like that. So वो ये वाली choice अपनी aunt को दे देता है. Right now she picks Alagu and Juman is very happy at that, क्योंकि उसको लगता है Alagu तो मेरा friend है तो ये मेरे फेवर की बात करेगा, right. But what happens now, she had earlier also spoken to Alagu and उसने उसको बताया था कि see this is what is happening to me, and he says I cannot help you क्योंकि Juman मेरा friend है. But she says how can you sit back and see injustice being done, right. So this is where that line is, then ask him whether he would rather remain silent and see injustice done. Right now this makes him think कि ठीक है फ्रेंडशिप एक तरफ, बट एक तरफ आई ऑल्सो हैव टू सी कि मेरा फ्रेंड सही चीज कर रहा है या नहीं, राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट हैपेंस. नाउ once the case has started, the punch has, they have all assembled, the case has begun, and Alagu has been chosen as a head punch, right. Now he asks Juman if he has to say anything in his defense. Juman says that he is not obliged to pay her. Why? Because it was not specified in the property deed. जो उसका प्रॉपर्टी के जो भी थे ट्रांसफर के पेपर्स, उसमें मेंशन नहीं था कि he has to pay something, right. And Alagu, being well versed in legal matters, did not agree with Juman's explanation, right. अब इस बात पे Juman is shocked कि मेरा फ्रेंड मेरी साइड नहीं ले रहा, how is this possible, right. And then जो वर्डिक्ट होता है वो भी उसके फेवर में नहीं होता, वो that favors the old lady, that yes she has a right to being taken care of if she has transferred her property. So that is her basic right. Otherwise ये जो property transfer हुई है ये cancel हो जाएगी, it will be null and void. Now this shocks Juman, he can hardly believe his ears, and he also feels that ये उसको उसके friend ने धोखा दे दिया, right. And everybody else, जैसे character mentioned है Ramdhan Mishra. Now this person doesn't like Juman, so he was very happy that Juman is in trouble, right. So he is also overjoyed कि उसके फेवर का verdict नहीं आया. After this, now see, at times what happens, कई बार जब ऐसे कोई इंसिडेंट होता है, of course the friendship takes a strain, right. So आप दोनों फिर एक दूसरे को मिलना छोड़ देते हैं, they don't even see each other and in fact start avoiding each other कि कोई confrontation हो ही ना हमारी, right. And Juman is also quite angry at him, so he wants to take revenge. So he is thinking of one opportunity when he can get back to Alagu. Then इसमें क्या होता है, Alagu buys a pair of, he owns a pair of healthy bullocks and unfortunately one dies. So what he sees, ये दूसरी भी किसी को बेच देता है. समझू साहू is a cart driver, ठीक है. अब उसमें क्या होता है, वो उसको दे देता है. अब उसमें and the cart driver says that okay I'll pay you after a month, right. अब वो क्या करता है समझू, on the other hand he just overworks that poor animal, right. उससे इतना काम करवा लेता है, उसका ध्यान नहीं रखता, that animal dies. But now he is putting the blame on Alagu that उसने उसको गलत animal, मतलब वो weak था या कुछ भी था, उसने उसको वो बेचा, and he is not ready to pay back his money, right. And all he offers is कि he can take his bullock on loan for 2 months, right. After this, a good deal of quarreling between the parties take place, right. And again this matter also reaches the panchayat. Now when panchayat is there, again Alagu says that चलो समझू साहू he can pick a head punch, ठीक है, वो choose कर ले, उसे कोई problem नहीं है. And समझू साहू जुम्मन को choose कर लेता है. अब इस बात पे ऑफ कोर्स Alagu को पता है कि मैंने पहले जुम्मन के अगेंस्ट वर्डिक्ट दिया, तो हो सकता है वो भी मेरे अगेंस्ट दे. बट क्या होता है, सारी दोनों की बात सुनी जाती है and a very justified decision is given, that is कि समझू साहू has to pay Alagu the money for the bullocks, क्योंकि उन सारे डिसाइड करते हैं कि उसी ने एनिमल को मिसट्रीट किया, तो इसमें Alagu का कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है, right. Now Alagu is very happy at this decision and he loudly praises the panchayat that God indeed lives in the heart of the punch. अब ये टाइटल का क्या मतलब है, that जो पंच अपॉइंट हो जाता है राइट। तो ये सोचो कि उसके मन में भगवान है, वाई? बिकॉज वो बहुत ही जस्ट डिसीजन देता है। एक आपके ऊपर जब आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डाली जाए एंड यू नो ओके पीपल आर काउंटिंग ऑन यू, राइट, somebody is looking up to you, so naturally that brings about that feeling of responsibility and that you have to do right, isn't it? So एक आपको भी खुद के ऊपर वो फील होता है कि नो आई कैनॉट जस्ट गेट अवे विद दिस, आई हैव टू डू दिस थिंग इन अ राइट मैनर, राइट, सो एज टू लेट्स से कि सबका जो मेरे पे विश्वास है वो बना रहे, एक वैसी चीज आ जाती है, राइट। सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस हियर एंड दिस इज हाउ ही सेज दैट गॉड इंडीड लिव्स इन द हार्ट ऑफ द पंच। अब बेटा इसके आगे थोड़े से नोट्स हमें दिए हुए हैं about the story itself, so we will read through that and we will discuss the various points, and tomorrow we can quickly take a look at the questions and move on to the next topic, right? So who would like to read? Hanji Hamad, would you like to read? Yes, Hamad.
No.
Why? You don't like reading?
मैम गला खराब हुआ था।
तो गला खराब हो गया। What about Khushi? Yes, Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji Khushi, would you like to read?
Ma'am, yes. Okay, I will.
आपकी बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Ma'am, network problem.
क्या है? चैट में बताओगे आप?
Ma'am, network problem.
अच्छा,
Yes.
network problem. All right. So who else would like to read? Deepika?
मैम नहीं, मैं नहीं रीड कर सकती, मैं बीमार हाँ।
क्या हो गया? ध्यान नहीं रख रहे? सारे बीमार हो?
मैम फीवर है।
फीवर हो गया हो?
हाँ
What about
जी।
Kritika? Yes, Kritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to read, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
अच्छा,
ma'am.
just a minute. So students, I want to know how many of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have already got the first dose of your vaccine?
Yes, ma'am.
Chat में बेटा
No, ma'am.
yes or no? सारे चैट में लिख दो yes या no. And how many of you are not yet eligible? जैसे अभी 17 below हो. So I'll just make a note of this. All right. So out of the students who have responded yet, Harpreet Kaur has got it. Parminder has got the first dose. Monica and Anjali, right? And those who are not yet eligible, Harnoor Singh, Kritika, Khushi, Hamad, Tushal, Suraj, Ashmit, Deepika, Daksh, and Bhupinder. So am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. So what about Ravneet? Yes, Ravneet, Dipanshu, Karan Kumar.
मैम
हाँ जी रवनीत।
क्या बोला मैम? मेरे को पता नहीं लगा आपने क्या बोला। मेरे नेट पे कुछ
बेटा मैंने पूछा कि आपके किस किस के फर्स्ट डोज लग चुकी है वैक्सीन की?
मैम मेरे लगी हुई।
आपके लग चुकी है?
यस मैम।
ऑल राइट। व्हाट अबाउट दीपांशु? हाँ जी दीपांशु, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, ma'am.
आपके बेटा लग गई है फर्स्ट डोज?
No, ma'am.
ऑल राइट। एंड हु एल्स इज लेफ्ट? डेविड? हाँ जी।
नहीं लगी मैम।
अच्छा हले तुसी 18 दिन ही होए?
नो मैम।
ओके। आकाश?
No, ma'am.
ओके। अतुल?
यस मैम लग गई है।
लग गई है, वंडरफुल। एंड व्हाट अबाउट सागर?
मैम एक लग गई है।
ओके। व्हाट अबाउट दलजीत? दलजीत एंड गगनदीप? हाँ जी दलजीत, एम आई ऑडिबल? ओके फर्स्ट लग गई है। व्हाट अबाउट गगनदीप? हाँ जी गगनदीप, एम आई ऑडिबल? व्हाट अबाउट शाइन? हाँ जी शाइन, आपके फर्स्ट डोज लग गई है?
Yes, ma'am.
ऑल राइट। सो हु एल्स इज लेफ्ट? हाँ जी अश्मित, व्हाट अबाउट यू? अच्छा आपके नहीं लगी है। गगनदीप? यस गगनदीप, एम आई ऑडिबल? सो आई विल जस्ट रिपीट जो बच्चों के। हाँ जी कृतिका, डू यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
नो मैम।
ओके आपने हैंड रेज किया था, मुझे लगा कुछ आप शायद बताना चाहते हो। ओके सो जिनके
मैम
लग चुकी
गलती
है,
से हो गया।
नो प्रॉब्लम। सो हरप्रीत कौर, परमिंदर, मोनिका, अंजलि, रवनीत, सरताज, अतुल, सागर, दलजीत एंड शाइन। सो इनके फर्स्ट डोज लग चुकी है, राइट? एंड जिनके नहीं लगी है, हरनूर सिंह, कृतिका, हमद, खुशी, तुषाल, करण, सूरज, दीपांशु, अश्मित, डेविड, दीपिका, आकाश, दक्ष एंड भूपिंदर, राइट? So अभी तक
Yes, ma'am.
Gagandeep has
Yes,
not
ma'am.
answered yet, so I don't know. So okay, हाँ जी प्रिंस?
हेलो।
हाँ जी गगनदीप, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ फर्स्ट डोज लग गई है वैक्सीन ਦੀ बेटा? See the point is we might start offline classes, this is why I am asking. only those students who have got at least one dose can come to the college then, right? So वैसे इधर मैं separate group ਵਿੱਚ भी message पाऊंगी एक बार, but I wanted to know face to face as well in the class whether you have got it or not.
हेलो मैम,
हाँ जी गगनदीप।
कि मतलब जिन्हें वैक्सीन लवा ली वो आ सकता कॉलेज?
जिन्हां दे एक वैक्सीन ਦੀ ਡੋਜ਼ ਲੱਗ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਉਹ ਆ ਸਕਣਗੇ ਕਾਲਜ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕਾਲਜ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ।
स्टार्ट
ਜਦੋਂ ਹਲੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟ ਡੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਬਟ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਮੇਬੀ ਇਨ ਦ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਕ। ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਨਾ ਬਲੈਂਡਡ ਮੋਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਵੀ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਈਮਲਟੇਨੀਅਸਲੀ ਆਫਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸ ਵੀ ਲੱਗੇਗੀ, right? So the students who have not yet been vaccinated or they are not eligible, they can attend the online classes from their home. The rest of the students, if you are willing, you can come to college. So I hope you got my point. So tell me,
Yes,
Gagan,
ma'am.
हाँ
लगेगी नहीं मैम जो
हाँ जी भूपिंदर, क्या बता रहे थे आप?
मैम जो 18 से
हाँ जी, जब अभी आप जो
मैम
18
जो 18 से
है
कम
ना
है फिर वो नहीं
उनके
आ
लिए,
पाएंगे।
हाँ फिर वो नहीं अभी आ पाएंगे। So far this is the decision. In case anything changes I will let you know. So Gagandeep, let me know if you have been vaccinated. बेटा आवाज आ रही है मेरी गगनदीप?
हाँ जी आ रही है।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇੱਕ ਡੋਜ਼ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੀ ਹਲੇ?
नहीं लगी।
ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਚੈਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੇਜੋ ਬੇਟਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ब्रेक हो रही है।
नहीं लगी मैम मुझे।
ओके अभी नहीं लगी, ठीक है। नेहा कुमारी, व्हाट अबाउट यू नेहा? हाँ जी नेहा, आपके लग गई? यस नेहा, आवाज आ रही है? चलो anyway, let's get back to the story. About this I will put a formal message in the group and then you guys can tell me. So acha, who was about to read? Khushi was about to read or Kritika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay Kritika, आप रीडिंग करने तो बेटा स्टार्ट कर दो। You can start from here. Critical appreciation.
Critical appreciation. Ma'am, can I start?
हाँ जी yes.
Yes, ma'am. This short story, God Lives in the Punch, is written when the colonial Britishers were ruling India. Premchand, through this story, the criticizing the judicial system of Britishers, saying that Indians already have a ruler judicial system where impartial inquiries and judgment are already prevalent. When one is placed as a punch or as a head of punch, he forgot about earthly ties and gave judgment only according to the norms of morality, legality, and ethics. Those the primary themes of the short story is indigenous judicial system, though there are many other themes present in the story. Panchayat. Panchayat is a system of administration of rural India where the elected or selected representatives of a village take decision for the development and day-to-day running of the village. This even while there are disputes in the villagers approach the panchayat for immediate remedial measures. Both Juman and Algu went to the panchayat with their disputes. Both of them also served as a punch.
Kritika, just a
When they
minute.
were-
Just a minute Kritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Gagandeep, please stay muted. बहुत ज्यादा बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है बेटा आपकी साइड से।
Yes, ma'am.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਗਗਨਦੀਪ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਪਣਾ ਮਾਈਕ ਮਿਊਟ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਬੈਕਗ੍ਰਾਉਂਡ ਨੋਇਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। ਓਕੇ ਕ੍ਰਿਤਿਕਾ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੋ ਬੇਟਾ।
The villagers approached the panchayat for immediate remedies measures. Both Chuman and Algu went to the panchayat with their disputes. Both of them also served as a head punch. When they were head punch, they decided in favor to righteous the god at a moment, while one is the head doing justice. One is like a god delivering judgment with impartiality. Those Premchand is celebrating the indigenous ruler administrative and judicial system known as Panchayat. Friendship. The short story also deals with theme like friendship between Juman Sheikh Algu Chaudhary, properties dispute, Juman acts of getting his aunt property registered in his own name and then maltreating his aunt, etc. Premchand, through these multiple themes, is trying to present different facets of India, but what he intend to champion primarily is, in short story, is the role of the punch, a panchayati system. Characterization. Juman Sheikh is a very good friend of Algu Chaudhary, but he, like other human beings, became subject to greed when he registered his aunt's property under his name, under
And maltreated her.
and maltreated her and didn't want to play with her any monthly allowance. When the aunt reached the panchayat, Algu Chaudhary, the head punch, gave the sentence in favor of Juman's aunt, leading to the break in a friendship between them. It is only when Juman became head punch and Algu was brought as a party of dispute to the panchayat. Juman realized that Algu did right when his aunt approached the panchayat. This realization of Juman revived their friendship. In short, it can be said that Juman is a normal human being with his shortcomings, greed, but a man who can transcend his earthly ties when he became the head punch. Head punch. Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhary is presented in story as the god man who when given the role to be a head punch, didn't favor in his friend by being partial toward him. Moreover, he insisted on his friend's mistake and gave an order which is righteous. Sometime later, Argo sold the bullocks to Samju Sahu, for which he received no money, and the bullocks died. Because of it being made overwork, Argo took the matter of panchayat, where to Algu's surprise, Juman, the head punch, gave the judgment in favor of him. Algu is presented in story as a god, man trying to live life according to the morally justifiable path. Juman aunt. Though an unnamed character in a story, Juman Sheikh's aunt has a significant role to the play in a plot. She is an old lady with white hair, toothless mouth, and a body bent as a bow. She is weak and infirm and walk leaning on a staff. She is related to Juman on her she is related to the Juman on her mother's side. She owns some property. Which she decided to transfer to Juman through an agreement with the condition that he will look after her. In the beginning, Juman is obliging towards her and is considerate of all her needs. But the moment the deed is registered, he becomes indifferent toward his aunt. His wife start abusing and taunting her, and the old lady is not given proper food for and clothes. Thus, the aunt became a helpless victim of Juman and his wife ill-treated. Juman's aunt is firmly persistent. She goes about from one villagers to other requesting them to attend the panchayat. There are people who laugh at her and make fun of her appearance. Some advise
Some advisor to make up with her nephew.
मैम कहाँ गया?
बेटा इधर ही है, विजिबल है?
Yes, ma'am. Another people. Some advise her to make it up her with her nephew. A few give genuine pity for her. Still, the old woman does not give up. Juman aunt has an unshakable faith in a panchayat justice. According to her, the panch has no personal feeling. He knows neither friend nor enemy. She says Allah lives in being of the Panch and his voice is the voice of God. Voice of God. Samju Sahu. Samju Sahu is a cart driver who lives in the same village as Albu and Juman. He carries on a business between the village and town, taking the village commodities to the town for sale, and on his way back, bringing to the village such god which have a ready market there. Samju Sahu is shrewd businessman with crooked away when he hears of Algo's decisions to sell his bullocks. He thinks that he buys the animal, he would to able make and multiple trips to town daily, and those increase his profits. He first take a trial of the ox and then buy it on credit, promising to pay the price in a month's time. Sahu is greedy to the core. In his greed to earn large profit, overworks the bullocks. He uses the animal to make 3 trips to town daily, sometimes even 4. He is so cruel that he does not feed the ox properly. His carts are always overloaded. The starved animal is soon reduced to skeleton when it fails to drag the overloaded cart, or if its speed slowed down. Sahu hits the mercilessly. The poor animal can't bear such serve treatment and it dies. In Panchayat Assembly, Sahu acts clever enough to proposes Juman's name for the head punch, for he knows about his hostility towards Albu. He is quite confident that Juman pronounced the decision for his favor, for he has been waited for an opportunity to avenge himself for Albu.
All right, so thank you, Kritika.
Thank you.
Okay. So what we looked into, एक तो हमने different सारे देख लिए कि characters का कुछ बताया हुआ है, right? Their character sketch. So character sketch is basically what kind of character is each person there, right? तो जुम्मन का बताया कि वो कैसा है, फिर अलागू का बताया है. Then we have also learnt about Jumman's aunt, right? Then after that Jumman Samju Sahu, another person, ठीक है कि वो कैसा है. तो मेन इनकी बात हुई है तो इनका ही इसमें मेंशन किया हुआ है. उससे पहले हमने वेरियस थीम्स की बात की. अब थीम क्या होता है बेटा? थीम इज कि कौन से टॉपिक पे ये स्टोरी लिखी गई है, कि इस स्टोरी में जो अगर हमने मेन टॉपिक्स की बात करनी हो कि इसमें से हमें क्या पता चलता है तो वो कौन से हैं. सो एक हो गया कि विलेज की लाइफ बारे में, पंचायत के सिस्टम बारे में, राइट. देन अनदर वी हैव अ थीम अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप, दैट इज फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन जुम्मन शेख एंड अलगू चौधरी, राइट. कि इनकी फ्रेंडशिप हाउ इट सर्वाइव्स और हाउ इट इज अफेक्टेड बाय वन फ्रेंड एक्टिंग इन अ जस्ट मैनर, राइट. सो पंचायत वाला इसमें काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज अगर आपने इधर ध्यान से सुना हो, राइट. सो दिस स्टोरी वाज रिटन व्हेन वी वर अंडर ब्रिटिश रूल, राइट. एंड द ब्रिटिश दे हैड दिस हैबिट that Indians they do have a judicial system in place, right. And this in this manner जो प्रेमचंद है, he is criticizing the judicial system introduced by British people, right. And of course उस टाइम पे it was not always just, क्योंकि अगर आपने कुछ incidents भी सुने हो क्योंकि वो हमारे पे रूल कर रहे थे, ठीक है। अगर उनके साइड के किसी पर्सन की गलती होगी भी, वो उसको मानेंगे नहीं। हमेशा अगर उसके अगेंस्ट कोई इंडियन है तो इंडियन का ही फॉल्ट होगा, राइट। तो इस बात का भी क्रिटिसिज्म किया गया है। एंड प्रेमचंद इन्होंने काफी एक अच्छे मैनर से किया क्रिटिसिज्म, दैट इट वाज नॉट इवन डायरेक्ट, yet it was very subtle in the manner of the story, and he knew that the story would reach a lot of people, right? It would reach a lot of Indians, and it would reach the British officers as well, right? ताकि इस story के through उनको पता चल जाए that they are being unjust, right? They are not being just with people, justice के जायज होना, right? तो इसमें उन्होंने पंचायत की एक वो किया कि see we already have a very good system in place that people follow the decisions, ठीक है। एंड इसमें अभी जैसे हमने इसमें पंचायत में देखा कि उन्होंने बिल्कुल सही डिसीजन लिया, ये नहीं सोचा कि वो मेरा फ्रेंड है मैं उसकी साइड लूं, राइट। एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड व्हेन इट वाज जुम्मन्स टर्न, even he did not get into that that idea of taking revenge. So he also, because उसको ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सौंपी गई थी, तो उसने बहुत अच्छे से वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निभाई है कि यस, नो डाउट उसने ऐसे तब किया होगा, बट इन दिस केस whoever is wrong wrong, जो गलत है वो गलत है, चाहे वो उसका फ्रेंड हो या ना हो, राइट। अलागू ने भी सेम ही प्रिंसिपल फॉलो किया। एंड इसी प्रिंसिपल का इसमें इन्होंने एक आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया कि वी शुड नॉट बी ब्लाइंडली फ्रेंड्स विद ईच अदर, के हम फ्रेंडशिप को इतना ब्लाइंडली ले लें कि अगर आपका फ्रेंड कुछ गलत कर रहा है आप उसे रोको भी ना, राइट। सो दिस इज ऑल, आई विल शेयर दिस पीडीएफ इन द ग्रुप टुडे, राइट। सो अगर आपने स्टोरी पढ़नी होगी या आपने इसके आगे क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन पढ़नी होगी, यू कैन रीड इट। कल वी विल जस्ट टेक अ लुक, वेरी क्विक लुक एट द क्वेश्चन जो इसमें से बन सकते हैं, एंड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, राइट। And बच्चे, I will soon share that message about the offline classes, because I am going to need your certificates for the same, those who have been vaccinated. तो उसका मैं Google form डालूंगी आपकी क्लास ग्रुप में, make sure you fill that, right? वैसे most of you have given me your answers, but those who have left, they can fill it, rather that Google form is to be filled by everyone, all right? So do you have any doubts, anything you might want to ask? So not